is enough. We will send you home. Or you resign by yourself. Hatukutishi tunakutoa. Kesho yake tukiamuka tunakutoa.
Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua is facing a mounting political crisis as the campaign for his impeachment gathers significant momentum. In an unusual and telling show of cross-party unity, members of Parliament MPs from both sides of Kenya's political divide have expressed growing dissatisfaction with Gachagua's conduct in office. According to reports, a formal motion for impeachment has already been drafted and could be tabled in Parliament as early as next Tuesday. One MP confirmed that the necessary threshold of signatures to support the motion has already been surpassed, signaling the critical mass required for the impeachment process to move forward. The momentum behind the impeachment campaign became more evident on Tuesday night when a group of Kenya Kwanza lawmakers reportedly convened at a Nairobi hotel to strategize their next steps. At the meeting, they focused on mobilizing broader support and refining their communication to ensure the impeachment push resonates strongly with both the public and their constituencies. One notable shift in support came from Emurua Dikir MP Johahan Yeno, a former ally of Gachagua. On Thursday, Jino posted a photo of himself signing the impeachment motion, a move that was widely interpreted as a signal of how much political ground the deputy president has lost. His post also revealed that more than 220 MPs, well over 3/4 of the entire House, had already added their signatures to the motion. Despite this progress, the United Democratic Alliance, UDA, is still grappling with one crucial issue: identifying which MP will formally table the motion in Parliament. The decision is critical, as the individual chosen will play a pivotal role in steering the impeachment process forward. The escalating political tensions were further highlighted during an interdenominational funeral service for victims of the Hillside Academy tragedy in Nyeri, where Nyeri Governor Mutahi Kahiga subtly referenced the political developments. "For every action, there will be a reaction," he said, hinting at the potential fallout from Gachagua's impeachment battle. Deputy President Gachagua, who was also present at the event, steered clear of addressing the impeachment directly. However, he took the opportunity to appeal for unity and respect toward the people of the Mount Kenya region, urging leaders to treat the region's population with kindness. Without naming specific individuals, Gachagua reminded those present that the people of this region are very forgiving, but they don't forget. "The people of the mountain were there yesterday, they are here today, and they will be there tomorrow," he said, implying the political resilience of the Mount Kenya region and calling for respect for its citizens. In contrast to the mounting pressure for impeachment, Gachagua received public backing from Democratic Action Party Kenya, DAP-PK, leader Eugene Wamalwa, who dismissed the efforts to divide the Mount Kenya region. Wamalwa offered words of solidarity, reminding Gachagua that the region has strong and loyal allies who will stand by him. "We want to remind those trying to ignite a fire in the mountain that this mountain has friends," Wamalwa remarked, invoking the region's past alliances. "When the day comes and the mountain calls upon us, we will stand with you. You will not walk alone." As political tensions intensify, the coming days will be critical in determining the direction of Gachagua's impeachment. Whether the motion succeeds or stalls, the political landscape is likely to experience significant shifts as both allies and opponents brace for the next phase of this unfolding drama.